This is going to be such a help and a game changer. I'm sharing with you some products that make cleaning so much easier, that save you so much time, because we all know we're busy people, you know. As a mom of a toddler and 2 dogs, I find that I am always cleaning. I don't seem to have enough time for myself. I knew it was time for some help, and these little time-saving gadgets, you guys, helps out so much. You'll be surprised how much time, over 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, all those little bitty times add up, you know. Instead of spending 30 minutes cleaning the shower, it only takes 15 minutes to clean the shower. There's you 15 open minutes. All these minutes add up. And here's my saying: let's clean smarter, not harder. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angel. Let's just jump right in and let me share with you these time-saving cleaning gadgets. First up is this robot vacuum. Not just any robot vacuum, this one is the Shark. And I have to say so myself, is that this guy is so powerful. It cleans really well. I love that you can put it on a schedule. It can clean on its own. It can clean daily. You can connect it to your smart home device and tell your Alexa to turn it on and clean a certain room. This is hands down an easy way to take a load off of your shoulders of worrying about daily vacuuming. Let this guy do its thing, whether it's at nighttime when you and the kids go to bed. Have it on a schedule to come on at nighttime to do all the vacuuming. I also love the fact that this vacuum has a 45-day capacity for trash, so you do not have to empty it to every 45 days. And honestly, we have not had to. Like, so when you don't have to worry so much about the daily hard vacuuming all your spots and emptying the vacuum, that's a load off your shoulder. Plus, this one in particular has a self-cleaning brush, so you do not have to worry about pet hair, which is amazing because I got 2 dogs. So not having to worry about cleaning that brush, because all my other vacuums I have to clean that brush out. That hair gets in there and I have to clean it out. But with this one, you do not. Do you know how much time that saves? I don't have to clean the brush. I don't have to empty it to every month and a half. And then on top of that, it can do my daily cleaning, and I just worry about the areas I need to do randomly. Saves a lot of time. Get you one. I will have it linked below. The next gadget that I want to talk to you about are drill brushes. These are so cool because it saves you elbow grease with all of your random cleaning. So great for cleaning your showers and your bathrooms. You stick the end pieces of the brush on your drill and you don't have to scrub so hard. The drill does all the work for you. So it makes cleaning quicker and easier because that drill goes to work and you can do your brushing and your cleaning and get that shower clean quick and in top shape in no time. Also great, you can use on your cars and any other random cleaning. The brush set does come with different brushes, so you can use it for whatever you need to use it for, but they are so great. Again, save you energy and time with your heavy duty cleaning. Now let's talk about that garbage disposal. There is nothing better than having a heavy lifter garbage disposal cleaner. These bad boys, you pop down the drain and you add the water to it and you let it do its job, and it gives your garbage disposal a super deep clean that it needs, because you know it gets disgusting down in there and gross. So instead of having to manually try to clean it out, grab one of these garbage disposal cleaners, pop it down in there and give it a great refreshing scent and a great clean. Let's talk about some scrub daddies. If you've never heard of scrub daddy, I am mad at myself because I've been late to the game of scrub daddies. Scrub daddies are so amazing. They are so powerful. These guys can help you do all your cleaning around your house, whether it's washing dishes or cleaning showers, sinks, and countertops. You can use it to clean whatever you want to clean, and they are great because if you use cold water, they become hard, so it can help you remove those tough stains. And then if you want it softer, you put hot water on it and it gets soft. So great for like washing dishes and you want to have it soft bristled. So awesome too because you can throw them in the dishwasher. Yes, you can. So I like these better than a lot of some of my other ones that I have to wash in the washing machine, because it does not hold bacteria, which is hands down great because bacteria adds up. And then 2, it's easy to wash because you can just throw it in the dishwasher, which is amazing. So they come in both hard and soft. They have scrub mommies too, where one side is soft and the other side is your normal scrub daddy, which is a great combination too. We use both of these and they speed up the cleaning process so much. They're just so handy and so great to have. Moving on to the next item. A handheld vacuum that's able to sit on your countertop. One thing you don't have to worry about going to go get your big vacuum. This one that I'm showing you is so great. You can have it sitting on your countertop or on your desk, and you can keep your desk clean because it looks great. It doesn't stand out like a sore thumb, but it's also an easy grab and go. I can literally vacuum my desk in 30 seconds with this guy, and you just take it out and clean it out. Or your tabletop or your coffee table. Like when you're cooking on your stove and you get those crumbs, you can just take your handy vacuum and get the crumbs up. Again, whatever you need to do, quick vacuumings. Handheld vacuums like this that can sit up on your countertop that doesn't look like a vacuum is very, very handy and time saving. Another great cleaner that helps to save a lot of time is the Lysol disinfectant and cleaner. It's an all-in-one. A lot of times, a lot of our countertop cleaners do not disinfect, you guys. They do cleaning. Yes, they help to keep your countertops looking great and give it some shine, but they do not disinfect. And a lot of times you have to come back with a disinfectant to kill all the bacteria and germs. This Lysol is a combination of both. It's a cleaner for your countertops, but it also kills those germs and is a disinfectant, which is great. Again, time saving. You don't have to come back and like do the test twice. You know, you clean your island one time and then you got to come back and disinfect the island. This one does all in one, saving you time, and you can get it all done in one click. They come with little refill bottles too, which is just an added benefit. It saves the environment and it helps with the recycling. When you need to replace it, you just replace the little tube and add water to it so you can keep reusing it over and over. Just another added benefit of it. Now this next item is the Samsung vacuum. This vacuum is a cordless vacuum, and I have a lot of vacuums, but let me say this one right here has the best suction power of all of my vacuums. So when I tell you it will give you a deep vacuum really quickly, it is the go-to when I need to do some heavy lifting. It's great for glitter because a lot of vacuums like leave glitter. This one, I did all of my Christmas cleaning getting all my glitter up with this vacuum. This is a great go-to heavy lifter when you need one. It's the perfect one to have, and it's one that, again, when I have like my thick rugs, you know, like my robot vacuum can't get to, or areas that I need to get up, like a lot of hair or something spilled and I need to go, this is my go-to to get my Samsung vacuum. It is the most powerful suction I've ever seen with all of my vacuums, and even my cordless ones. This one is a heavy lifter, so the price tag on it that you see is worth it because it's just a really heavy lifter. I also got mine with a clean station too, which you can grab too if you would like that, but I will link this link below. Now here's a big gadget that saves time, and that's a Samsung washer. I have had this washer 3 years. I did a whole review on it. I'll pop it on screen, but it's been 3 years and I still use this washer and I still love it. Still works great. It's time saving because it's 2-in-1. You have a top washer and a big drum roll. The drum roll is huge. You can fit so many clothes in that thing. You really can. Like, we don't do even a lot of laundry. When I do loads of laundry, it's a big load of laundry, and that's because it can handle it, and my dryer can too. It also saves on energy. It saves on your water bill too. But the top loader, you can wash separate loads in the top washer. So the reason why I say time saving, because you know, when we have those random mishaps as a woman and we need to wash like our underwear, or you have babies and you have these random mishaps, you know, and blowouts, and you need to wash clothes or toys or whatever, you can just throw them in the top load washer and you don't have to worry about hand washing, saving you time. Throw it in there and let it do its thing. So definitely time saving and definitely a clever gadget. This next item is also super handy. It's a pet hair brush. Now I love this brush because there's no batteries needed, there's no electricity needed. This is a easy, handy item you can have behind your sofas to clean your couches. And this guy cleans amazingly well. Like, I could not believe how great it took up dog hair with no help. Just the brush. It's great. You can clean your couch in all of 30 seconds and be done without having to go run around your house, look for the vacuum, see if the vacuum plugged up, change out the end piece on the vacuum to get the dog hair off your sofa. This is just a handy gadget to have sitting under your sofa or behind your sofa, so when you need to do a quick brush on the sofa and get that dog hair off really quickly, it's there and you can keep moving. Now the last item I'm going to mention is a toilet bowl cleaner. This one in particular is the Clorox Cleansing Gel Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This is a toilet bowl cleaner that does the work for you pretty much. All you gotta do is go in there and spread it around your toilet and let it sit. And you just sit back and you just watch the dirt and grime. It just goes away. In our books, we call it the self-cleaning toilet bowl cleaner. It self-cleans the toilet like it does. I like to get the one with bleach in it too. Walmart also has a version of it too that I've used and it works really well also. These are great. Again, saves you a lot of time from having to scrub the insides of your toilet. I mean, you still gotta scrub the outside, let's not forget that, but we're just talking about the inside toilet bowl right now. This guy we keep in every bathroom because it saves us so much time, because it goes ahead and does the cleaning for you. Spread it around there and let it sit a couple minutes, and when you come back, it's just sparkling. It's just sparkling. It is. And if you get your brushing, you can go around it, you know, but it takes actually most of the grime off. But there you go, you guys. If you want some time to yourself, grab those gadgets. They definitely help. Now that I've given you some products to help you speed up your cleaning, if you want to learn how to clean your entire kitchen in less than 15 minutes, be sure to check out the video you see on screen.